Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System this morning. This is how simple and precise system is. You're looking at bold red line. It's a historical high, correct? At bold red line, your only option to take short. This is how pure system is. System give you precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. There is no speculation here. None are present. That's it. Can you do this? Can you obey the red line? If you can, the sky's the limit. You only have to do, place your trade correctly and trade with institutions. So here's the market right now on institutional chart. Is this an easy market to trade? Of course not. We're at historical high, we're at reversal zone. Bullish rally overextended. This is a world of difference. If you were buying at the bottom, if you were buying at institutional support levels, starting since the last week in March, this is all institutional buys with Alpha Fibonacci System. This is the most brutal, vicious market formations. What are we seeing here this morning on March 25th? We're seeing very mild profit taken from historical high. At historical high, an institutional bold red line, your only option to short from. But market is not collapsing. Why? Because you're looking at institutional support. This morning, institutional trading range is narrow. That's what intelligent trader understands. That's what intelligent trader learns in modules 3 and 4 and watches 50 plus videos and learns in classes every day and especially Thursday. You can manage this market. Everything else will be a breeze. So when I ask my incredible traders this morning, how have they done in such brutal market conditions? Let's ask. What does this mean? If mom of 2 babies trading European Open, killing it. Jennifer trades Nasdaq, flawless. 23 points. Insomnia. Good way to battle insomnia, correct? Melvin reports 4 points on S&P. Very different instruments. Intelligent strategic traders know that. Trading the instrument appropriate for you, your risk management, your mindset makes a world of difference. For Jennifer, it's Nasdaq. For Melvin, it's S&P. As Joseph says, from all the discussion this morning, it was a beautiful lesson. As Joseph says, never oppose the freight train. Freight train is institutional power. This morning, in front of you, market right now oversold. This is your day trading chart. This is what plays out right now. You are day trading support, but support is very, very high. It also correlates with institutional support levels. So when you trade with institutions and not against them, what was the most brilliant thing to do this week? Buying at the ultimate bottom on February 23rd. Second best, February 24th. This is drastically higher. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you identify all of this hours and days in advance. If I convert this chart right now to 5 minutes, this is a system this week. This is a system in front of you right now. We discussed with students, you are never ever ever shorting near. We discussed with students, prices forming support. And if I squeeze this chart, this is a system this week. Ultimate buy levels, ultimate bottom on any chart you choose to trade. Institutions keep adding to their longs, creating brand new historical highs. But at reversal zone, at the bold red line, your only option to sell from. That's it. And how you place your trade will make a world of difference in your trading. And that's the decision you have to make. Risk management is a key part of your decision making. There is no indicators here, none are present. This afternoon I'm mentoring an 11-year-old girl who is trading Alpha Fibonacci System, daughter of my long-term student. Michael trading Alpha Fibonacci System with options. How you will trade the system is absolutely your choice. And if I convert this chart to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, this is a system this week. Ultimate precision. Your ultimate trading with institutions, February 23rd. Here's the reason. It's a vertical bullish rally that remains intact. We're at historical high, but institutions adding to their longs. This is a chart where multi-million and multi-billion dollar positions are held. Correct? Mild profit taking is on. This support remains intact. Institutional bias is long. So this is little retail short at bold red line, at day trading reversal zone. It's the only option. At bold red line, at ultimate buy zone, it's the only option to buy from. So here's a software at the bold green line with the ultimate buy. Precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. You decide the trade you want to take. There is no short at bold green line. None are present. Your only option to buy from. Every trade, different stop, different target. Trade appropriate for you, and your risk management is your personal choice. When scanner giving you multiple alerts, you choose a trade appropriate for you and your account. And that's simplicity of the system. From the bold green line, with institutions, your only option to buy. From the bold red line, you only here's another short. Counter trend move. Decision point 1 is critical. The most important rule is met. And that's the key part of your trading. Do not overcomplicate trading. Do not. You will never need anything else. So here's the price right now at Alpha Fibonacci support. If I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? As Theo says, there is no questions because it is the answer. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading, pretty please. The most powerful part about Alpha Fibonacci system is the power of selling ultimate high and the power of buying ultimate low. So if you see the markets with a child's eyes, if 14-year-old boy can trade this, an 11-year-old girl setting up to beat 14-year-old boy, what does it show you? The pure simplicity of Alpha Fibonacci system. If they can do it, so can you. Agree? Understand the difference. This is your highest quality trading. February 23rd. February 24th, second best. When price comes to reversal zone, when bold red line is present, your only option to short from. This is how the alert looks on scanner. Intelligent trader understands. The bearish pullback is worthless. To the downside, this is key support. Price is not at the bottom. Price is at mid-trend. And when price at mid-trend, bullish and bearish pullbacks are vicious. We discussed this with students before we logged in to the trading room. Ultimate bottom is a place to buy. Ultimate top is a place to sell. But if you trade with institutions, you've been buying the bottom since March 23rd. That's the purity and power of the system. But buying here is very different than buying here. It's very different than buying here or here or here. This is the most challenging trading on record. This can last months, even the next few years. If institutions will keep holding their longs, very few quality trades are present. Your ultimate knowledge, your ultimate execution will be key. So here are my students. On the most spectacular trading day on February 23rd, as you can see, Jennifer 35 points on NQ. Stop. Stunning, flawless trade. Ultimate place to trade. As Braulia confirms, concept of different time frame charts showed clearly very hidden trades. CEO reports picking up 66 pips on Aussie dollar. As CEO says, any market, price is price. Richard 5 points on S&P. By the way, he just sent me an email. His account is drastically higher. Let me pull up his email. As again, price stock forming support. And that's very different trading only in the last few days. Ultimate precision on silver from Jason, $25 per tick. CEO trading Dow, Larry trading Russell, Jennifer trading NQ. It is absolutely your personal choice what you will decide to trade. As CEO says, on the best trading days this week. This is the best roadmap from highest probability levels, with absolute accurate objectivity, not subjectivity. So I highly encourage you listen to Richard's podcast, physical therapist who struggled for many years in trading. As he shares He started trading on S&P mini futures on November 9th, 2020. He doubled his demo account to over 100,000 in a month and started trading live on December 7th. The starting funds for the account were 3,600. On January 22nd, Richard informed us he is at 11,575,000. Here's Richard's email as of February 24th. That's it. As he's sharing, his account is up to 18,423. Do not overcomplicate trading. Agree? That's the power of effort. Richard knows ultimate place to buy from. Richard knows not to touch junk, not to trade the middle. He simply made an effort. Agree? Joseph says, obey the rules and keep it simple. Do not trade the middle. It's in front of you. We discussed with students. It's a falling knife. It's a massive junk. There is nothing in common with trades you saw or trades Richard take. As Jennifer says, this is kill zone. This is what your success starts from when you separate kill zone or spectacular place to trade. We knew this before we came to the trading room. That's the power of this system. All you have to do, make an effort, and the skies are the limit. So I highly encourage you, when you come to the website, please listen to Richard's podcast. Please listen to his journey and story. Our community in 50 plus countries with traders all over the world who are trading stocks, futures, options, Forex on any instrument of their choice. This is simply effort and excellent work. This is how students inspire each other. Not trading the middle, trading the top and the bottom. So I love to see one mom of two little babies showing you. Joseph, Jennifer, showing you clearly it's a kill zone. We're in the middle. Intelligent trader never touches kill zone. The best place to trade this week, hands down, was at institutional buy zone. That's it. You trade as a sniper. You don't trade as a trigger happy cowboy. And you know this hours and days in advance on any chart you choose to trade. But if you would like to use options, of course, use long-term chart. If you would like to invest, of course, use weekly chart. Day trading is not for everyone. System applies to all. When the kill zone is present, on stocks, long term, you are on sidelines. You do not invest. Correct? When I buy my stocks, I only interested in ultimate low and ultimate high. Don't trade the middle. Don't trade the junk. It's in front of you this morning. Richard, Jennifer, Theo, all traders who use Alpha Fibonacci System do not trade and touch junk. And that's the system in front of you. Every day you apply to any instrument you will choose to trade. So please pay attention to this very powerful statement. This is the most important part, as Jennifer says. So dangerous right now, took me a while to figure it out. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do, because of story like Jennifer's. She gets it. She's very, very clear. What is a success rate right now? Jennifer, anyone who would like to share? In this brutal, vicious, worst market conditions, when very few gems are present. So if trader in the current market conditions can do this, do you know what that means? In spectacular market conditions, trading will be a breeze. This is incredible effort. This is the most important part. To separate spectacular versus brutal market conditions. Do not overcomplicate trading. See the markets with pure eyes. Buy the bottom and sell the top with institutions. That's Alpha Fibonacci System at its best. Do not trade the middle, do not touch the junk, do not babysit the screen. Nothing more, nothing less. You can do this, the sky's the limit. Simply make an effort. Do exact same thing as Jennifer, as Richard, as every successful trader who's done with Alpha Fibonacci System. With Market Replay, you can double and triple and quadruple your demo account in a couple of weeks. Then trade live. And when you trade live, you ride a bike with confidence. You're riding institutional train. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pretty please. From 3,600 on December 7th to 18,000 on February 24th. Spectacular effort. Brilliant work during the worst market conditions. Everything else for Richard, for Jennifer, for Theo, for trader who makes an effort will be a breeze. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. So if you decide to join us right now, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You will take advantage of savings up to $5,000 and you can choose from the option appropriate for you. This is lifetime system for any platform with 3 months live course, video library and modules. You can use the system on any chart, any time frame, any platform has been done for the last 10 years. The most popular option, lifetime system for any platform with lifetime software for Ninja 8. You can trade any instrument you choose, but it also includes multi-market scanner, which would make your trading much easier. It also includes trade recognition software. This is a very big difference for the option with or without software. Private mentoring, I have only one spot. If you decide to do private mentoring for any platform or Ninja 8 software, please speak with me first. But as always, view students' performance, view students' reviews, view what students accomplish, listen to their podcasts. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. Simply make an effort and obey the rules. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, trader, for spectacular February. It's been my joy working with you. I look forward to seeing you in classes.